Cause y'all be around cars all day, every day. How could you not want to be around that all day? Like, come on. Come on, bro. How could you not like that? Check out the LS swap. But look what it's in. Yo, this also was not here last time. At all. I bet he wouldn't give me the keys to it. I would not come back home for them. Wait, what? Outside. This one too, back to back with it. No different. But see, I think he got here's a stick shift. Check it out, yeah. He got the auto. I don't care, either one. Fellas, be real, man. You get this whip, bro, you gone. You gone. I don't know where you going, what you doing, but you gone, dog. Let's keep it moving, let's keep it pressing and see what else we can run into. But LS swap. What's might be like a 69, maybe? It's a 69 Mero, done the right way. Got the vets. Now look, these vets, more specifically the C6s, really growing on me, man. This actually, the C6 is actually the front runner for the car that I'm possibly gonna bring on the channel. So let's get a little quick look at it. As a matter of fact, I think I recorded this car before, last time I was here. But it's always nice to see it, man. You don't see too many C6, Z06 just in a pristine condition like that. For sure. And check out his brother right here. You got the C7 with the, what's that, LT4? Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. Is that the LT4 motor? Base Stingray. Manual. Real clean. Real clean. Then we got the C5, so we got the whole Corvette thing going on right here. Keep it pressing. Got the C5. So look, that's the C6. That's the C7. It's the C5. You can tell the C5s by the headlights. They got the pop-up headlights. Y'all check out the Super. Check him out. Let's dive in and see what's going on. Yeah, he got something going on for sure. Oh yeah, he got something going on for sure. B58 motor. With the fat wang. Got another, ooh, now this one is more my taste. I rock with that, bro, don't get me wrong, I rock with that, bro, but bro, sometimes less is just so much more, dog, and that's the case. That's the case for me when it comes to JDM. Less is more. Got another S2K. I don't know if y'all caught that in the background, brother. Stupid. Beautiful interior. Bro, it's like that with these seats, it's like he's damn near just sitting on the floor of the car. Yeah, y'all made it this far in the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. On the road to 100K, baby. He is fully stripped out. Got a boneless interior. Check him out in the back, boneless.
You ever change the valve cover gasket? I would look at it.
Yeah.
Make sure they got the little shims on both sides. If it's got one, it's still fine. But usually the shims kind of shimmy their way out if you let the car high.
Alright, gang, alright, gang. I ain't gonna bore y'all with the walking around, but I'm gonna catch y'all when we see some sauce. Y'all, we done found Night Rider.
After what I've been through, a little publicity might help reinforce my self-image.
We done found KITT, y'all. What's up, KITT? Oh, KITT got the her shifter. Why KITT acting different like that? Check it out, y'all. That's hard. Why KITT acting different with the her shifter, y'all? Y'all let me know that KITT had that back in the day. I think KITT that went got a little bit of the juice. Yeah, KITT definitely got some juice for sure. What we got here? Another Trans Am? Nah, I'm rocking with that for sure, y'all. What is this? See, I said I'm only cut my camera on when I find that juice. When I find that sauce, bro. What is this? And why is it so hard? Like, dog. Oh, Lord, y'all. I almost had a man down. Bro. Did he make that? Like, look at him. He back like a mad scientist, just admiring his work. Somebody let me know what that is. Yeah, but man, if I could wake up and be around this stuff all day, every day, bro, I would. But like I said earlier, bro, that's why it's stuff like that as to why I do YouTube, bro. Like to be around all this every day, all day. You know what I'm saying? To be hearing stuff like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. That's a whole GTR skyline, bro. Like, who wouldn't want to wake up and be around this type of stuff all day, every day? I mean, I know I definitely would. I wouldn't get tired of it. Look stock for the most part, but she sounds healthy. Real clean, man. Real clean, bro. Like I say, who wouldn't want to be around this all day, man? Tune Squad, let me know, man. Could y'all be around cars all day, every day? How could you not want to be around that all day? Like, come on. Come on, bro. How could you not like that? Jesus. That sounded amazing. I'm staying quiet and letting the cars do the talking. Just like that.